Hello and welcome to the first of 3 small videos regarding this little truck. It is again a Scania 6x4, so 4-wheel drive. And let me first start by showing how it works. So, putting the camera up here, then you can see. So it's a simple truck that simply goes back and forth, but when you reverse like this, the truck is free. And I back up to the trailer again so that you can see like this, and it's on. So it's a very easy system which simply works by having the trailer disengaged. So you can see here again, the truck is free. So, in this first video I'm going to talk about the truck. In the second video I'm going to present the trailer, and the third video will be about the helicopter here on top. So, this video, the truck. This is a Scania R series, just like my 2 other truck presentations. But this one is I've had to focus on making it as durable as possible, so the front is a bit stronger than the other trucks, so it can take some abuse, and details like the mirrors on the sides are pretty sturdy. You can actually use them to open the doors so that you have your normal interior inside. And you can see the windscreen is not tilted like the other trucks, because not tilting it makes it more durable again. So here on top you have some parts which are fairly loose compared to the rest of the truck. We have some simple connections making this little part here stay on top, but it's overall a great truck if you want children to play around with your toys. And in the back we have a battery box which is really easy to replace, because you can just take it off like this and change the batteries. So it's driven by an L motor right here, and as you can see I've made plenty of space so that you can use an XL motor instead. The XL motor will give you more power, more torque and less speed, and it will last for longer if you're going to wear the batteries out. So in the back I have 4-wheel drive using simple differentials, and again here, and you get superior grip with this layout compared to the 4x2s on the other trucks. The coupling mechanism here in the back is extremely simple. It's just this bit that goes down so that a trailer going in will lock onto the truck. Unless it's this trailer which needs to be in a certain position first, like this. But I'll get back to the trailer in the next video. In the back we have a bumper here, which makes sure that it takes a little bit longer for these parts here to fall off. So I'll just put the battery box on again. It requires 2 hands. So the steering is again with a servo motor and with Ackermann steering geometry. So you can see here, it turns like this. And the reason I'm using this system is not only because it's more accurate, but also because it's quite easy to build. It requires no gears, it's just some lift arms pulling. And then you can see the color scheme is the same as with the classic Lego Model Team Set 5590. So this is also the design and the colors that I'm using for the building instructions for this truck, which are up on my website, and you can see them in the link below in the description. And I even used this part here from the original truck. So as you can see, it looks just like a normal Scania R series, Again, I've been cheating using these parts which are getting out on the market now, but I cut some parts in order to make them. But they have been released now in some colors. I've seen the black on Bricklink, so I'm sure it will be out in sets in maybe in the beginning of next year, but we'll see. So, of other parts that are special in this model, we have the cheese grater, which should be a light gray, but it's only existing in dark gray right now, so you have to make these parts here dark gray if you don't want to cut parts up like I've done. And well, that's it for the special parts. Everything is fairly sturdy. You can even lift the truck here in the middle, and you can see you can pretty much lift it anywhere, even in the doors. So it's really sturdy, and you can see I even got space for detailing, like here. We have an indentation of this detail right here, which breaks up the flat surface that we would otherwise have on the side of the truck. So it's a fairly small but very sturdy and detailed model. So I highly recommend this as the truck you should build if you want a truck that works, that is easy to build and doesn't break down all the time. And well, that's pretty much it. And I hope you have fun if you should try to build one of your own.